So hello everyone, welcome again to this YouTube channel. So today's topic is alternate ways to perform click action in Selenium. So in earlier video we talked about alternate ways for send keys in Selenium. So in this video we'll talk that how you can perform click without using .click method, and we have different ways. If you can see here, like using JavaScript executor, using actions class, using enter and return key. So I will be covering each and every point one by one. So let's get started. So guys, I have simple project here, and in which you can see that I have initialized the Chrome driver and I'm just navigating to Google. So what I'm going to do is we'll navigate to Google and then we'll click on Gmail link over there with different alternate of click method. Okay, so let me open the Google. So here I'm on the Google page, and you need to simply click on this Gmail using, I need to simply click on Gmail using different alternate. Let me inspect this element. We need to make locator to click on it. So I'm just making it using text method. So I have made XPath of this Gmail, and let me just find out the web element Gmail and driver dot find element by dot XPath, and now we got a web element Gmail. We simply need to click on it. Let's do it first via simple click method, if we are able to do it or not. So let me run this. If you can see, this is Gmail web element we have, and it should click on this Gmail element. So it clicked on Gmail. So this is the simple click. Now let's look for the alternates what we can use. So first alternate is using JavaScript executor. So let me show you this on Eclipse. So let me remove this simple click, and so now for JavaScript executor you just need to first initialize the driver for it, JavaScript executor. Let me write it, and then driver. Okay, so control shift, okay, it's already there. Now js dot execute script. So now here you need to pass in double quotes arguments and then square bracket 0 dot click and semicolon. Then in arguments, in second you need to pass this web element that we have found of Gmail. So this is the syntax, guys. You need to first initialize a driver for JavaScript executor, then you need to use execute script method. In that you need to write argument 0 dot click, and then you need to pass the web element that you found. Let's see if it works or not. It should click on Gmail. I have removed that click method. So it clicked. If you can see here, it clicked. So this is how you can click using JavaScript executor. So next alternate is using actions class. We have already covered JavaScript executor. So let's move to now actions class. So now let me remove this JavaScript executor code. So we have to use actions class. AC new. So for that we need to create object of actions class. Now AC dot click. You need to here pass the web element, then dot, then perform. So you can see the syntax. Actions class, you have to create the object of the actions class, and you need to click Gmail and then perform. So let's try to run it. Let's see if it is working or not. So this is the second alternate, guys. You can use actions class. So let's see if it is clicking or not. So it's navigating to Google, and now let's see if it clicks or not. It clicked on the Gmail link. If you can see here, bit of connection issue, I think. So it navigated to the Gmail, if you can see here from the title of the tab. So now if you want to do one more thing, like your element is not visible within the page, then you can simply you can simply there is one more method, move to element. You can go to move to element, then you can click dot perform dot click dot perform. First it will move to that element, then it will click, then perform method. So this also we can do. If your element is not visible within the page, you can simply move to that element first using move to element method of actions class, and then you can click on that element and then perform method obviously of actions class. So this is how you can do that. So again it clicked on the Gmail, if you can see here. So let's see what we have the next alternate in this. So my connection is a bit slow, it already clicked. So let me stop this. So third alternate is pressing enter key or return key via Selenium. So let's see how we can do this. Let me remove this actions class that we have used recently, and now we have to do it via pressing enter key or return key. So that we can do using Gmail dot send keys. In send keys you need to write keys dot enter, keys dot enter. Now it should work. Let's try to run it. It should click on Gmail. So if you can see, it clicked on the Gmail. So this is the third alternate. You can do one more thing, keys dot return as well. Return. Let me run it again. It should again click on Gmail. Again, if you can see, it clicked on Gmail. So this was the third alternate. So we have covered all the three alternates. So guys, so this is how you can click via different alternates. So this is all from the video. So I hope you like the video. So please subscribe the channel and please do share the video if you like it. Thank you.